noise, another restless night. Chasing shadows, but they fade with the light. A light. Running in circles, wearing thin, searching for something that starts from within. Every step I take, every road I choose, feels like a battle I was meant to lose. I'm reaching for calm, but my mind won't stay. Got a storm inside that won't fade away. People tell me just let go, but they don't know what I know. Peace ain't found in the world outside. It's a war you win when you look inside. Find your peace, let the chaos fade. You can't outrun what's in your veins. Close your eyes, feel the weight dissolve. The only way out is through it all. I tried to numb it, I tried to hide, but silence ain't quiet when it lives inside. 1,000 voices, but none sound like me. So I stopped running, now I can breathe. It's not in places, it's not in time, it's not in faces you leave behind. You don't escape, you learn to be, and in that moment you set yourself free. Find your peace, let the chaos fade. You can't outrun what's in your veins. Close your eyes, feel the weight dissolve. The only way out is through it all. What if the war was never real? What if the scars were meant to heal? What if the fight was just a way to find yourself and learn to stay? Find your peace, let the past unwind. You'll never heal if you don't decide. No more fear, no more disguise. The calm you seek was always inside. Breathe it in. The battle's over, let it begin.